Welcome to the bird show, where people choose who's the best bird anytime, including parakeets, zebrafinches, Okay, so
if you can't see the zebrafinches, that's right here.
Okay.
Here.
Looks
and this is the parakeets, blue and green.
This is bloopers, okay? Not funny, okay? So let's start the show with parakeets versus yeah, let's make the spotlight go everywhere. And it'll basically go to the cameraman's face.
Yeah, I know.
Now, let's get started with the video again. So let's start with the parakeet, the blue parakeet. So how are you faring? I'm feeling fine. What about you, green and whatever colored parakeet?
Dashing through the vents, the story makes no sense. Okay.
Next is that female zebrafinch. I'm feeling just fine right now. I'm just sitting on this branch and feeling just perfect and peaceful. What about you?
I'm sitting on the same exact branch, and I like to poo on my own face sometimes.
I said how you're feeling. You didn't answer my question.
Great, and I sometimes like to poo on my own face. And also sometimes on the parakeets.
Yeah, I'll get your revenge on you. The spotlight again. The flashing lights are going, right? Flashing light, flashing light, flashing.
Wait, alright, time to battle.
So,
it's too sexual. It's too sexual. Don't see it. They're humping each other. Oh no! Oh god. The birds are humping each other. This is too bad.
Okay, we're
too
ready.
Sexual. We're too sexual. I lose some sense.
Yeah, get that. Yeah, that. Get that, zebrafinches. Well, you get that. Start with the spotlight. Whoa! Yeah, guess what you get? I'm on your side now. I'm on your, oh yes, I'm near you. You here. I'm here with, him, I guess.
I think so.
Stop recording.
Anyways, if you're watching this video, then like and subscribe to our channel.
And become a Star Warrior.
Yeah, Star Warrior.
We'll make the flashing lights. Who wins, Jet? Who wins?
And the winner is the zebrafinches. This is part 1 only, but we're gonna have to end our videos here. And if you're watching, subscribe and like I already said.
Anyway.
Okay.